So now section B says answer these questions based on your interpretation, means translation, understanding what you have understood from the poem. You may provide one answer as a group or discuss these questions and write your answers individually, because we are all not in a classroom situation, so we'll write our answers individually. What other animals do you think this mother could be? It can be, what do you think? It is not necessary that the mother was a was a tiger. Do you think there any other option other than the tiger? Narrow down your choice to one animal. Which one would you pick up and why? So, in totality, why do you think you will choose some other animal? Keeping in mind the gist and the explanation of the poem, do you think that is there any other animal which would suit instead of the tiger, and why, in 50 words? From whose point of view is the poem written? Where is she trying to escape from, and why? So again, the same repetition. The tiger and the mom, they are trying to run away from human beings. Do you think she and the cub will survive? Do you think the mother and the baby will survive? Explain why or why not. If yes, why? If no, why not? So this is something that you have to write in your own words, in 60 words. Do you think you can compare Mother Earth with the animal mother? Do you think Earth is also going through the same situation as this tiger and the baby are going? I think yes. The way people are exploiting Earth is something that is a big concern for environmentalists. And every day you must have read articles about how the earth has started breathing after this complete lockdown. So for nature at least, it was a plus point that all the motor cars and all the industries and everything have stopped emitting poisonous gases. Is Mother Earth also facing danger? Do you think Earth is also facing danger in the same way? What are the various kinds of danger that both of them face? What are the various kinds of dangers that the tiger mom and the earth are facing today in this at this time? 70 words. The animal mother could also stand for human mothers also. Maybe it's a mom, not no don't go to the explanation. Just try to put a human mother in that situation. Child trafficking is something which is a major concern right now. What would they have in common? What is the most common thing between a human mother and a tiger mom? 30 words. 30. Question number 5. Analyze the poem as a struggle between good and evil. I just want you to write this answer in 50 words. The difference between good and evil. What is the difference between saving someone and killing someone? Yeah? In general, in your own words, in 50 words. All right. So, page number 39, A part, rearrange the letters of these words from the poem to form new words. Whenever you have a situation where you are making a new word, meaningful new word from an old word, you call it anagram. Say, for example, here, I'm just going to give you one hint. You have to use these words like trace, heart, groan, among, present, dilate, and make a new word. Say, for example, I'll give you one example. 4. Number 4 is among. So, among can become mango. Yeah? In the same way, you have to rearrange other words. And this process, this tool is called anagram. Question number B, these are abbreviations, short forms. You need to write the full form of these words. PETA, PAUSE, SPCA, STRAW, CUPA, WWF. WWF is not World Wrestling Federation, it's something else. So you have to do that. Write the full form of these. Question number C. Here are some words that a mother and her cub would have felt. So these are words which you make 2 columns. Say one will say mother and the other one will say cub, and try to put at least 5 words which should go for the mother and 5 for the for the cub. You can use a dictionary so that these words are matching with the situation that the mother and the cub are going through in this poem. The last question in on page number 39 is a project, and it is an important project. This project is of 10 marks. Remember that when we are meeting next time. And I'm going to upload these marks on your Google Classroom also. It says you will listen to an audio on movements associated with conversations and other environmental issues. You need to get onto the internet and you need to listen to audio or video interviews. Let's just say audio. No, don't get distracted. And try to listen to these conversations or interviews on these topics. Chipko Movement. So then you'll get an idea who started Chipko Movement, what was it about, and how did it end. Jungle Bachao Andolan, Narmada Bachao Andolan, this is my favorite. I grew up reading about this lady. This is one hint. Navdanya Movement and the Silent Valley Project. So out of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 projects, each student will do at least 2 projects. Listen to these conversations, understand the concept, all right? And then you need to match the name or the founder of these movements or andolans, and then write it in your copy, in your English copy. All right? Okay. Apart from that, what I want to do is that since I have done a lot of talking, I think now it's your turn to do some talking. Choose one movement out of these 5, each student. This project should let's say make a video of you explaining about any one of these projects and upload it on Google Online Classroom in your classwork section by 21st of April. Okay, this is a project. But apart from that, write the name of these founders of these projects in your copy. All right. Question number, page 40, section B. You don't have to do that. Okay. Working in groups of 4, development. This is an individual project because now we don't know how to do it in group. Development or progress comes at the cost of environment. This is your topic for your group discussion or your presentation, I should say now, individual. So there are some tips given here. You can either support this topic, whether development comes at a price. If we are trying to develop and progress, do we have to pay a cost? Does the environment needs to pay a cost for that? Or do you think that it is good for development? So are you supporting it or are you opposing it? So this debate, presentation should be uploaded on your Google Online Classroom by 23rd of April. I'll just write it down. I'm going to put a note in your on your class WhatsApp group also and on Google Classroom. 23rd of April. This is a presentation. Make a video. The video should not be more than 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. And the movements on page number 39, the last question, section A, should be by 21st of March. So you have to make 2 videos. And then on page number 41, these are 2 formats that I have not taught you. So in the next class, I'll explain you. I'll teach you the format and then you'll be in a position to do these answers. So this work seems to be a little lengthy. So I'll give you time till 24th of April. And then upload it on your Google Online Classroom. Thank you.